Hi friends, this is Chris. I'm back with an unboxing of Spellbinders monthly kit. I am really late getting this up, but I wanted to share with you guys some goodies and see if this was anything that might encourage you. So first off, I love that their tissue is almost like a glossing bag, and I saved that. I know. It is just too good to get rid of. So let me move this out of the way, and then I will come back and share. So, alright, first I'm going to take this tissue out because I don't want to damage it, and put it right up here so I can use it. Okay, so this particular month is so stinking cute. Alright, so let's start with the colors. First, I'm going to pull out all this gorgeous, it's linen-like, I don't know if you can see that, but look at this gorgeous paper and this kind of shimmery foiled silver, and then whoops, I'm getting them too far apart. There we go. And look at that fun yellow like summer, and then I love that mint and I love that lavender, so beautiful. And this particular kit is this card of the month kit is all these mermaid ones. Oh my goodness, I love those. I am way behind on card making, and I can't wait to play with this kit. So, of course, you get all the cards and all the card bases and the envelopes, and I've forgotten how many you get. 10 cards, 10 envelopes. Really good, a goodly amount. You also get the dies. I know. This is really a very neat kit. You get a lot for it. That's kind of what I'm trying to say here. So that looks like, I'm not sure what all this is, but isn't it pretty? We'll look at the other stuff. We'll know in a minute. Okay, so I've got all these dies. Matter of fact, let me jump to the, okay, here we go. I'm not seeing a lot that the stamps, let me see here. Okay, let's pull the stamp thing out. So, let's set that to the side, and of course there's all the seashells, and, ooh, here's some flowers. Here is a fin. I guess you could put that behind the mermaid. Too much fun. Here is, oh, here's the face. Oh, so I bet you build. Isn't that cute? Okay. I'll have to watch the video on this one. There's the bubbles. Here is more T90 like lips, and I think those are the eyes with the eyelashes. Oh, that is so stinking cute. And then seaweed. And then, ooh, what am I trying to say? Not fins, the scales, the mermaid scales. That is super cute, and that would fit perfectly there. Okay. And then here are, oh, I bet these are her arms. Those are her arms. How sweet. So, super fun. So I guess we, oh, I get it. So we can print, and stamp and cut out. We can build our own mermaid. Oh, these aren't glasses. This is her bikini top. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, for goodness sakes. Okay, this is darling. Okay, I'm now getting it. And then there's the little seashells. And you could even make like little, you know, cover for her bra if you wanted to. All kinds of stuff. How do I say that? Alright, now let's see what else comes in. So we get some tear and tape. We get some dimensional dots, or dimensional foam. We get, oh, that was for the stamp. We get some ephemera. Hold on, I'll do that last. Oh, goodness. Okay, so we get all these gorgeous stickers. They're like gemstones. Oh, that is charming. We get some darling foam stickers. Let me take them out of this so you guys can see them better. Hold on. Here we go. These, and they're really nice quality. They're not like, they have a nice finish to them. Oh my goodness, I love that. That's gorgeous. We also get some paper, and look at that. Isn't that pretty? Let me see here. Open this up. here we go. So, oh gosh, aren't they cute? Okay, let me just go through one at a time because it is too cute to hurry. So those are darling little mermaids. Here's the mermaid scales. Here's the seaweed and starfish. Oh, and that must be like the ocean. And then just some confetti. And this says, good day, travel, sun, sea, happiness, summer, sunshine vibes. Super cute. Oh, look at that. The swans and the penguins. Oh, I love that. That's gorgeous. That's like a splash. And there's just some basic. And then here's some more with those colors. And those are all little bitty seashells. And more of the same patterns of flowers. Oh, I love the seagulls. Aren't those cute? So cute. And it has the little footprints where they've walked in the sand. Oh, and this would be great for journaling if you're making a page. Oh, I love that too. Kind of a wave page. Wow, I cannot believe we haven't repeated yet. And then this says, I think this is... Oh, this is your ticket. This is the ticket for when you travel. Yay, I love that. And that's pretty. And then there is a yellow with a really light chevron. I don't know if you can see that. Look, isn't that gorgeous? Oh, more mermaid scales, more confetti, and then now we start over. That is a nice variety. It looks like you get 2 of each. Super neat. Okay, there's that. And then last couple of things, here we go, are the words. So you get, let's see here, when they're white glittered, they are really pretty. So you get magic, love, smile, friends, dream, hello, with bubbles and diamonds and starfish and shells and hearts. That is so cute. And then, last but not least, I don't even know if I should pull all of these out. Oh, look at all of the die cuts you get. Oh, the little girls are there. Oh, for goodness sakes, this is an amazing kit. And let me see how many die cuts you get. You get, it just says a set. No, it doesn't. Hold on. It does not say how many pieces of ephemera you get. That is so interesting. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, one fell out. That is a lot. This is a lot. So, it's a fair priced kit. It's, for what you get, it's crazy. You get a ton. Actually, it's a really good deal type of kit, and it's all, everything's there, it's all contained. It does not tell me how many die cuts you get, but there are a lot. Wow, that's amazing. Alright, this is my Spellbinders July, wow, this is an old kit, July 2019. I'm sorry I'm late to get this up. It has just been so busy lately. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. So, again, like, subscribe, share, leave a message. I'd love to hear if you guys or any of you are doing these particular card kits. Send me a message. I'd love to see how you're, or hear about how you're using them. Okay, my dear sweet friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll be talking to y'all soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.